Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to have fun with Cookie Monster's Play-Doh letter lunch. And we all know Cookie Monster loves to eat cookies. Me love cookies. Yes, but Cookie Monster, it's important to have fruits and vegetables too before you have your cookies. So today we're going to make an alphabet soup with our letters. And we have, some fresh vegetables on the lid of our Play-Doh pot. So let's get started. Nom, nom, nom. Today we're going to use our pink cream soda scented dough, and we are going to spell out cookie in our soup for Cookie Monster. And we push down. There's our letter C. I'll peel it carefully off the table and add it to our alphabet soup. We have a C. What comes next in Cookie Monster? Oh, actually two O's. C-O-O, and then comes K. And there's our K. Now, if you look at the word cookie, what comes after K? It's an I. We have one more letter. What is it, tiny fans? It's the E. Okay, we've completed our word. There's the letter E. And now it's time to add some veggies. How about some juicy orange carrots? Some fresh organic green broccoli. And some red tomatoes from the garden. All right, I think we're ready. Now, it's not quite a soup because it doesn't have any liquid or broth. So it's more like a salad. So what should Cookie Monster use to eat his food? The red spoon or the blue fork? Usually with a salad, we use a fork because then we can poke our fruits and vegetables. So let's feed Cookie Monster. Oh, we got a broccoli and the eye. Nom, nom, nom. Very good, isn't it, Cookie Monster? Yum, 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 yum. Yes, yum, yum, yum. Now let's try a tomato. Oh, we've got a big, we don't want too big of a biteful because then Cookie Monster could choke. One tomato. Oh, very funny. The tomato that went in Cookie Monster's mouth ended up way over here. So how did that happen? All of the food goes down and behind, and that tomato rolled right out of Cookie Monster. How funny is that? All right, open wide, Cookie Monster. This is your last bite. A tiny little carrot. Nom, 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 nom. All right, Cookie Monster, you ate your entire salad, and now it's time for a special treat. We have our gumball cookie jar, and Cookie Monster baked some cookies just yesterday. Let's see if there's any left. Oh, there's two little cookies at the bottom of the jar. And one for you and one for me, right, Cookie Monster? Nom, nom. We love cookies. Well, it's time to clean up, tiny fans, so my dough doesn't dry up and I don't have pieces that get lost. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to look for Dora's backpack somewhere earlier in the video, and if you didn't see it, you can go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We have Cookie Monster, and it looks like he is making cookies today. Oh, he's already made some cookies. Let's count how many he's made, tiny fans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 cookies. And there's more to come. While we're waiting for Cookie Monster to bake the cookies, let's read a Sesame Street book called 1, 2, 3, Count with Me. It has Ernie and Elmo. Come on, everybody, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, count with Elmo and me. Elmo wants to count all the animals. Here comes. Hey, Elmo, do you see what I see? Elmo sees animals. Lots and lots of animals. 1 big gray elephant. 2 striped tigers. Rawr! Ah! 3 proud peacocks. 4 waddling penguins. 5 slow turtles. Hurry up, little turtles. 6 golden lions. Roar! Like a lion. 7 noisy parrots. Squawk! 8 jumping monkeys. 9 prancing horses. Giddy up, horsey! 10 friendly dogs. Whoa! Slow down, you guys. What's the rush? Hey, Elmo, it's an animal party. Elmo? Elmo! How many animals do you see? Count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Ernie, the animals are having a party. What took you so long? And let's all count the animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, and I think the cookies are ready. Let's see who the cookies are for. Who's behind the green cookie? Oscar the Grouch. Big Bird. Ernie gets a cookie. Elmo. Grover. Count. Bert. Abby. Snuffleupagus. And Cookie Monster, he gets a cookie too, of course. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Click the link below for more Tiny Treasures videos and to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are here with Cookie Monster and a brand new Sesame Street Magna tiles building set. Oh, these are so much fun and they're really good quality too. We just recently built one that was Daniel Tiger themed and it was the countdown to bedtime, so check it out. Now we've been making cookies today, haven't we, Cookie Monster? Yeah, cookies. Tiny Treasures Mini said they were bored, so I said, why don't you bake some cookies? Let's go have a look. Fresh out of the oven, chocolate chip oat. They're gluten-free, so easy on the tummy. All right, let's open up the box and have a look. Now here is a little flyer that's going to show us exactly what we can build. Oh, wow. We can build a cookie cake. Oh, and there is Cookie Monster, the big towel. Oops. And we're going to learn shapes today with these triangle cookie pieces. Okay, so I think I've decided to build our Cookie Monster shape cookie pizza today. And we just look at the diagram and follow along. So we have Cookie Monster's face, and he needs his chef's hat. Let's look for the chef's hat. Must be somewhere. Oh, I found it. And the Cookie Monster is on one side. It's a triangle shaped cookie. So Cookie Monster's chef hat. It fits perfectly and the magnets are strong so it doesn't fall off. And underneath is the star cookie cutter. Now it's a little wobbly, so we need to secure it with Cookie Monster shoulders. And we need to have the other one here. We can bend it like that. Oh my goodness. This is going to be very tricky. Oh, well, everything collapsed, tiny fans, so on to plan B. And it's okay if something doesn't work out the first time, we just try again. So I found another diagram with Cookie Monster. He doesn't have the chef's hat on here because I just find that it's not going to stay on. And we can still build our cookie. So let's try this again. We have the star and the shoulders. And I hold everything in place until we get part of our cookie made. So I will hold on. I could use one of the kids' help right now, but they're busy. Tiny Treasures Mini is reading a book about dinosaurs. All right, there we go. There's the circle. And then we have the square. Oh, perfect. And now it's starting to hold Cookie Monster together. Then we have the diamond shape. And now Cookie Monster is standing all by himself. Yay, success. Now we have to build the second half of our cookie. This is one half. And we build the other half. So there are 3 pieces to each half. Okay, we have another shape. Do you know what this is? How many sides are there? 5 sides, so it's called a pentagon. Then we have, oh, you know what this is? A star. And finally we have the triangle on the triangle shape. Oops. Now we have 6 more pieces left, and we can build the wall of Cookie Monster's friends. So first we have Elmo and Big Bird, and we're going to angle them like that so they stand up on their own. Perfect. All right, and next we have Oscar the Grouch and Grover. And then our last tiles, well, we have a Cookie Monster and Ernie. We're all done. That was so much fun. And there, of course, are many other things you can build with these Magna tiles. They're really good quality. So now it's time to clean up. But remember, tiny fans, to look for the Dora backpack somewhere earlier in the video. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are going to explore our Cookie Monster toy collection. We have soft Cookie Monsters, talking Cookie Monsters, and little car Cookie Monsters. So let's explore together. Let's look at our Cookie Monster figures. First we have our Weeble Wobble Cookie Monster. He has a rounded bottom and he moves back and forth and you can spin him around. Whoa, right off the table. Next we have our Cookie Monster figure, which you've seen in a lot of our videos. Check out our Sesame Street Toys adventures. Some are outside, some are in fun Fisher-Price cars that make lots of sounds. Now we all know Cookie Monster loves to make chocolate chip cookies. This figure is looking a little old, some paint has worn off, but he's got some cookie dough mix. Do you know what this is called, tiny fans? It's called a whisk. I usually whisk the kids' eggs with the whisk, and we make scrambled eggs. And then we have our newest Cookie Monster. He's like cartoon-like figure, and he's got a half-eaten chocolate chip cookie. He's ready to take another bite. Nom, nom. We also have a collection of Cookie Monster vehicles. This one has big blue wheels. It's a chunky orange car that is sort of soft and rubbery. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And here is a race car. He is number 2. He's eating a cookie. And here is a smaller race car. Oh, look, Cookie Monster is wearing his seatbelt. Good job. And he has, instead of a number, a logo of a cookie. And it's an orange car with 2 purple flags. I can hear the ding ding of the ice cream truck, and look who is driving and working today. It's Cookie Monster in a white uniform. He's got a cute little bow tie, and he's holding a pink ice cream with a cone. What kind of ice cream do you think it is? Maybe strawberry? Oh, he has other treats as well. Sandwiches, popsicles. Choo choo! We even have a Cookie Monster train, and this time Cookie Monster is eating healthy. Good job, Cookie Monster. You can't eat cookies all the time. Let's see what he's delivering. A big bin of bananas. And I also see apples. What's that, tiny fans? Cucumbers, plums. There's the banana. And of course, carrots. And I believe this Cookie Monster makes sounds.
Oh, hello. Let's deliver healthy snacks to all me hungry friends.
Choo choo! We also have some soft plush Cookie Monsters. We have a smaller one and a big one. He's super soft and his mouth is wide open. This is one of our biggest Cookie Monster toys, and look at how huge his chocolate chip cookie is. It's called Peekaboo Cookie Monster, and when I squeeze his belly, he'll play peekaboo with us. Next, we have our Sesame Street Cookie Monster and Elmo phone.
Hello, it's me, Cookie Monster. Oscar. Count. Bernie. Bird. Big bird. Goodbye.
We even have a Cookie Monster ball ramp, and there are 3 balls, yellow, purple, and kind of a greeny blue. Let's try it out. Nom nom nom.
Oh, please, oh, please, oh, please. Oh, nom, 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 nom. Sometimes we want a cookie. Sometimes we want a snack. With chocolate, nuts, or raisins. No, nothing wrong with that.
We have one more toy that we haven't looked at. Which one is it, tiny fans? It's our Cookie Monster cookie case. Let's open it up and see what is inside. We unhook the clips. Oops, one of the numbers has fallen off. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on the other side are colorful cookies with some of Cookie Monster's friends underneath. It looks like Cookie Monster ate one of the cookies. It's missing. What color do you think is missing? Well, we have 2 green, 2 red. We only have 1 blue. I think we're missing a blue cookie. Oh, and there's Cookie Monster. We'll see who's underneath. Oh, there's Snuffy. I love Snuffy. Snuffleupagus. And Count. Who's under here? Bert? Who do you think's under there? I think I have a guess. Could it be Big Bird? Yes, it's Big Bird. Oh, well, I hope you had fun with us, Tiny fans, looking at all of our Cookie Monster toys. Our collection is getting quite large. And before I go, I just wanted to say, did you see the miniature Dora backpack somewhere earlier in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. Thanks for playing with us today, Tiny fans. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.